Hello there and welcome to another video. Today we are exploring a beautiful Japanese garden in Tokyo. Be sure to move around in 360 degrees to enjoy the view. Let's take a walk. When you need to get away from the madness of Tokyo, Higo-Hosokawa Garden is a wonderful place to go. You should take a leisurely walk across the wetlands and listen to the waterfalls cascading water. And although it isn't quite as large as the famous Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, this garden is just as lovely, with pastel pink sakura, which are cherry blossoms, in the spring, and red momiji, also called maple trees, in the autumn. Higo-Hosokawa Garden is a vibrant vision all year round. This couple is wearing their kimonos and taking wedding pictures. The premises were once the second home of Hosokawa, the leader of Kumamoto Domain at the end of the Edo period, and later turned into the Hosokawa family's main residence. A circular hill and pond garden in the park takes advantage of the changes in height to highlight the garden's natural scenery. There are natural springs, stone lanterns, and bamboo walls, and carps swimming, which can be found in the pond. The entrance house, Shoseikaku, was built during the Taisho period and used as a study for the Hosokawa family. Here's our second couple taking their wedding pictures. This is truly a special park. To our left, you'll see the waterfalls of Higo-Hosokawa Garden. Walking from Waseda Station or Edogawabashi Station can take you to the park. It's only about a 5 to 10 minute walk, and the business hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Great news! This park is free for everyone.